Greetings, road warriors! Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today, we are stepping into a true masterpiece of American engineering. This is the 2016 American Coach American Allegiance 42T. For those who demand the absolute highest level of refinement, American Coach has long been a top-tier name. This is a CARFAX one-owner unit with 70,000 miles. Measuring 43 feet in length and sitting on a heavy-duty tag axle chassis, this coach is designed to offer a level of stability and luxury that few other motorhomes can match. As we start the walk-around, take a look at the stunning Mountain Mist graphics scheme. This is a premium full-body paint package that uses a sophisticated blend of grays, charcoals, and silvers to create a sleek, modern look. There are no decals here. This is automotive-grade paint that reflects the quality you expect from a luxury flagship. This 42T floor plan features 3 enormous slide-outs that expand the interior into a sprawling residential oasis. For outdoor living, you are fully equipped with a high-end power patio awning, a power door awning, and a full window awning package. You also have protective slide toppers over all of those massive slide-outs to keep debris and water away from your seals. Right here in the sidewall is your exterior entertainment center, featuring a 32-inch TV, stereo, and speakers. It is the perfect setup for catching the game while you're lounging under the awning. Throughout this tour, notice the polished wheels and the massive glasswork. Every detail on this American Allegiance, from the frameless windows to the side view cameras integrated into the mirrors, screams quality. We're going to continue our walk around the rear to see that heavy-duty 15,000-pound trailer hitch and the tag axle setup. This extra set of wheels in the back provides incredible weight distribution and a smooth, confident ride on the highway. We are going to wrap up the exterior and then dive into the heavy-duty mechanical systems that make this coach a true allegiance to quality and performance. Let's move down to the foundation, because the American Allegiance sits on one of the best chassis in the world, the Freightliner Liberty 450 tag axle chassis. This chassis is designed to lower the center of gravity and provide an incredibly stable air ride experience. With full air brakes and full air ride suspension, this 43-footer feels like you are floating over the pavement, even in crosswinds. Powering your journey is the muscular Cummins ISL9 diesel engine, producing 450 horsepower and a staggering 1,250 foot-pounds of torque. This is paired with the Allison 3000 6-speed automatic transmission. Whether you are climbing mountain passes or merging onto the interstate with a heavy tow vehicle, this powertrain is the gold standard for performance. When we open up the storage bays, you'll see the advantage of the Liberty chassis: massive pass-through basement storage. We have slide-out storage trays included here, making it effortless to reach your heavy gear without breaking a back. For your utility systems, we have the AquaHot 450D multi-zone hydronic heating system. This provides you with unlimited hot water and quiet, radiant furnace heat. Plus, it includes an engine preheat feature for cold weather starts. For power, we have a massive Onan 10-kilowatt quiet diesel generator. It has only 699 hours and is mounted on its own power slide-out tray at the front for easy maintenance. You'll also find 50-amp service on a power cord reel, a 2,800-watt Magnum inverter charger, and 3 15,000 roof AC units with heat pumps. Every system on this coach, from the automatic hydraulic leveling jacks to the central vacuum system, is engineered to provide a seamless residential experience on the road. This is a system-heavy coach, built for the serious traveler who wants maximum convenience and top-tier reliability. step up into the American Allegiance, and the luxury is immediately apparent. One of the first things you will feel is the heated porcelain tile wood flooring that runs throughout the entire coach. This is a high-end residential-style flooring that is both beautiful and easy to clean. You can see how the wide-open floor plan is flooded with light, thanks to the large windows and the reflective surfaces of the high-end cabinetry. The entrance is grand and sets a very high bar for the rest of this virtual tour. It truly feels like a custom apartment on wheels from the moment you step through the door. Centrally located in the main living area, we have a stylish table dinette. It's perfectly positioned right beside the 40-inch TV, making it the ideal spot for a morning cup of coffee or a casual meal while catching the news. The cabinetry surrounding this area is solid wood with a rich finish, providing both beauty and additional storage. The front living room is designed for gathering and relaxation. We have a large slide-out sleeper sofa that provides comfortable sleeping for 2 guests, along with dual plush recliners. For entertainment, you have an additional 32-inch TV mounted above the cockpit seats, so everyone in the lounge has a perfect view. The captain's chairs for the driver and passenger are incredibly comfortable for the long haul and swivel around to become part of the social area when you're parked. It is a grand, high-end social space. The kitchen in this Allegiance is a chef's dream on the road. You have an induction stovetop, a microwave convection oven, and a huge stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer. And look at the convenience features. This coach comes with the dishwasher option tucked into the cabinetry. Cleanup is effortless, allowing you more time to enjoy your destination. The solid surface countertops and high-end residential sink make this a very functional and beautiful space for any culinary task. Tucked just past the living area is the private half bathroom. This is a huge convenience for your guests, featuring its own toilet, sink, and vanity. Having this 1.5 bath layout ensures that your master suite remains private and quiet at the back of the coach, while your guests have their own dedicated facilities during the day. It's a smart use of space that adds a lot of utility for family travel. Welcome to the Master Retreat. The 42T features a massive king-sized bed that provides the ultimate in sleeping comfort on the road. One detail I love back here is the ceiling fan, which keeps the air moving and the room comfortable on those warm nights. You have your own 32-inch TV and plenty of drawer storage for all your travel attire. Because this room is separated from the main living area, it serves as a quiet, comfortable sanctuary for a great night's rest. The heated tile floor continues into this room, and the overall fit and finish make it feel like a luxury hotel suite. It's the perfect place to recharge after a day of adventure. Moving to the back of the coach, prepare to be impressed by this enormous full-width master bathroom. It features a huge shower enclosure with glass doors and a skylight for extra headroom and natural light. This is a very residential space with plenty of room to move around as you get ready in the morning. Just past the bathroom area is the walk-in rear closet. This is a massive storage space with wardrobe hanging rods, drawer storage, and even a built-in safe for your valuables. And check this out. This is where you'll find the stackable washer and dryer. Having separate machines instead of a combo unit makes laundry day a breeze, allowing you to wash and dry simultaneously while you enjoy your vacation. Completing the master bath is a large vanity with a high-end sink, plenty of counter space, and a toilet. This entire rear section of the coach is dedicated to your privacy and comfort, offering a level of space and storage that is truly hard to find in the motorhome world. It is easy to see why the 2016 American Coach American Allegiance 42T is such a flagship choice. To recap, you are looking at a CARFAX one-owner tag axle masterpiece with 70,000 miles. You're getting the power and reliability of the 450 horsepower Cummins ISL9 engine on the heavy-duty Liberty chassis. With 1.5 baths, a king bed, heated porcelain floors, the AquaHot system, and that stunning Mountain Mist full-body paint, this coach is fully loaded and ready for its next owner. The combination of the tag axle stability and the residential amenities makes this the ultimate cross-country machine. If you want to see this coach in person or have any specific questions, we'd love to hear from you. You can give us a call at 864-2609-276 or send an email to sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see more photos and the full specification sheet for this unit. Thank you so much for joining us for this tour at Porter's RV Sales. We take great pride in our inventory and love showing you these high-quality coaches. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming tours. We look forward to seeing you here in Williamston very soon, and as always, happy camping.